Hey guys, so what I have here in this video today is we're going to show you how to install printer drivers for your Canon printer on your Mac. So if you got a new Canon printer or want to hook up a Canon printer to your Mac, in this video is going to be a simple tutorial and somewhat self-explanatory. So what you want to do is you're going to need to open up your browser. Depending on your region, based on your region, you might want to type Canon and your country. So basically what I'm going to do is put Canon USA for my region so we can get the you're going to click on this link that says software and drivers. And for example, what we're going to do is we're going to be typing in the name of our product, which is a Pixma TS202, which is a printer I got for my iMac. So it's going to detect your Mac, of course. So you want to select your version. For my instance, I got Mac OS Sonoma. Then you want to download the file, even though although I do have the file downloaded. So you want to go to your downloaded file while opening up your downloads folder and clicking on the .dmg file. Then it's going to come up with this window right here where you're going to have a setup file. And what we're going to do is we're going to click open, and you're going to get this installation wizard for your Canon printer, and we're going to go ahead and click next. Enter your admin password so we can to be able to install Helper. So what we're going to do is we're going to click Start Setup. And it's going to give you a warning to make sure keychain access is always allowed. And we're just going to click Next, and it should download all the software and drivers that you need for your printer. And while this downloads, I'll be right back. Alright, so what you want to do is you want to click yes on the license agreement. And agree to the license agreement or the Canon agreement. And it's going to recommend you to do a printing alignment. And it already detected my printer. Alright, so it's finished doing its test print, so we're going to go ahead and click next. And so with that being said, setup is officially complete. And if you want to install the user's manual, which is optional, that's up to you. And just click next, and it's going to do its download and installation. So with that being said, it shouldn't take that long to do whatever download and installation of any optional software that you selected, depending on your internet connection. You can register your printer if you want to, but but you don't have to, so we're going to go ahead and click skip the registration. And we're not going to create a shortcut in my perspective, so we're going to click next. So it's been successfully set up, so we'll go ahead and close this window out. And I hope you guys find this video helpful and useful, and thanks for watching.